Hey guys, welcome back to Cookshop. I'm Alex. Today, a very tasty summertime eat outside kind of dinner. Harissa-Marinated chicken and a Bulgur salad with mint. Neither of these is what I set out to make, but because I didn't have the right ingredients, because I'm a knucklehead, or because I couldn't use the right ingredients, I kind of had to punt and improv a little bit, and it turned out really well. And the best part about this is that it's easy, and while you're cooking one or marinating one, you can cook the other and it's all ready at the same time. But it starts out with marinating the chicken. Harissa is a North African chili paste that can be insanely hot, but I use the mild stuff for this dish. You start out with 1 part of harissa and then add 2 parts of olive oil. So 3 chicken breasts, 3 people, you'd probably use ½ a cup of olive oil. And then normally you'd use yogurt, but my wife can't eat that because it gives her migraines. So I use mayonnaise for this dish. Add 2 parts of mayo, the same amount that you use for the olive oil. Then a squirt of lemon juice, sprinkle of dried oregano, and a pinch of salt. Cut your chicken breasts into 1-inch chunks, put them in a plastic bag with the marinade, squish it around to coat everything, and then put that aside and let it chill in the fridge while you're making the next dish. Now start the Bulgur salad. This was supposed to be tabbouleh because I have a ton of parsley from my garden. What I don't have are ripe tomatoes. So I came up with this. You start with 2 cups of dry bulgur, and then here's a hack I do. If I need boiling water, I make it in my kettle. It's a lot faster than the stovetop. Add 4 cups of boiling water to the bulgur, and then simmer for 12 minutes. That'll give you enough time to cut up all your veggies. I'm using 1 orange bell pepper, 1 cucumber, I had to cut off a mushy part, and about 1/4 of that red onion. So you dice the first 2 about 1/4 inch, and then you mince the onion so it's really fine. When the bulgur's ready, drain it and rinse it in cold water to stop it from cooking. Then add in all the veggies. And add some chopped fresh herbs. I use about 3/4 of a cup of parsley, flat leaf parsley, and 1/4 cup of mint. Toss it all together with a squirt of lemon juice and oil and vinegar, or a vinaigrette, or even salad dressing, and then put it in the fridge to chill. Now take your chicken out of the marinade and thread it onto skewers. Leave a little bit of space in between each of the chunks. Get your grill screaming hot and lay them down. Cook them about 5 or 10 minutes, turn them a few times so they don't burn. Then fluff up the salad, just put the chicken on top. You can finish it with a squirt of lemon juice or mix up some harissa with more mayo or yogurt to make a sauce. Give that a try. It's easy and it's really great on a hot day. If you hated this, please mash that thumbs down button. Otherwise, you could subscribe. In any case, everybody, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.